YouTube channel, Bluetti, and on our official Facebook channel, Bluetti Global. We are glad to have you here, and we hope that you guys are happy to be here because we will have some giveaways today, right? So number one, we give away the Bluetti canvas bag and the Bluetti fridge bag. And this is number two, we give away Bluetti t-shirt and the Bluetti coffee cup, all right? Two big giveaways. Let's double it. Let's make it four because we are live on two platforms. So we're gonna have four giveaways in total. All right. Does that sound good enough? Let me know in the comments. Let's get started. So today's topic is pretty amazing, guys. We're talking about some cool power stations here. All right. As always, the best power stations. Today's selection, it's all here. Okay. We've got the model and the price there. Okay. We've got some big power stations here today with us, like AC500 and AC200L. Now, those are pretty amazing because they can not only power your outdoor adventures like AC300L, right? But they could also back up your essential loads like refrigerators for quite some time. Okay, I like to share the stream. Thank you so much. All right. Yeah, we are a bit late. We started like 4 minutes late. Sorry about that. Tim and Winnie are busy running the company. All right. Hi guys, how's it going? Good to see you here. Remember to like and share the stream with your friends. All right, we will edit the wheel of names 2 times so that you can double your chances of winning this amazing gift of the Bluetti canvas bag and fridge magnets, as well as the coffee cup and the what else? Oh, the t-shirt, right? The t-shirt, so that you have something to spill coffee on. All right, happy Friday, everyone. Yeah, thanks. Right. So guys, remember to join the giveaway. You have to fill in the form. This form is just for joining the giveaway, okay? So it's pinned on the very top on YouTube and on the very bottom on Facebook, all right? Okay, guys. So today we have AC200L, AC300, and AC500 with us. Now, as you know, both AC300 and AC500, they're big fellows, so we can't put AC300 on the desk. So we've only got AC500, B300S, and AC200L. All right, so AC200L. Now, AC200L is the newest 2 kilowatt hour portable power station, right? It's actually pretty awesome because now, even for such a big power station, you don't need an adapter to recharge it. Now, I bet you guys know some laptops that still use adapters to recharge, right? So it's pretty normal. We got used to that. Even some laptops use adapters to recharge. Now this power station, you don't need an adapter. All you need is just a cable. And the cable is included in the box. You don't have to buy it separately. Now it's not a standard cable. It's not a computer plug. It's more an aviation style cable, okay? So it's a bit different, but still it's just a cable, no adapter required. And that is cool because, well, who likes adapters? Nobody does, to be honest, number one. Number two, you don't have to worry about, carrying this adapter with you. Number two. Number three is that we have a UPS mode, or uninterrupted power supply, okay? So basically what it is let's say that you lose power for like a second or two, right? But some loads, like your desktop computer, for example, right? It just can't lose power, right? It has to be always plugged in. So what you can do is you can plug your desktop computer in the AC200L, and you can connect AC200L to the wall outlet. So when you have power, when you have lights on, the power station will be just bypassing power from the wall outlet to your desktop computer, right? And when you lose power, it will switch from the grid power to the internal batteries within 0.02 seconds or 20 milliseconds. So your computer will stay on like nothing even happened. This is the cool thing about having just a cable instead of an adapter, because with an adapter, it would be impossible to switch that fast. Again, 0.02 seconds or 20 milliseconds. That's super fast. Fast enough for most electronics that you want to have constant power for. Okay, now this is number two or three, probably three. One more point I was about to mention, yeah, is that you can control now the different speed of charge, right? So when you have an adapter, it's usually like 400 to 500 watts. You can't do anything about it. Now, with a cable, now you have more control over how fast or slow you want to recharge your power station. So somebody even said that there is an infinite, like not an infinite, but you know, a very big amount of different charting modes, because you can control amperage. So if you change amperage, you will also change the input, the wattage, right? But you know, if that sounds complicated to you, just think about it as 3 charting modes. We have standard, silent, and turbo. So standard is pretty self-explanatory. It's a default mode, just normal charting. Silent is when you want to recharge it silently and you don't mind it being slower. And finally, turbo is the opposite. Turbo is the fastest, and don't overuse this mode when you don't need it. Okay, but use it when you need it. Hi, I'm new here. It says they're a GUI. Yeah. So here's how it works. Basically, there is this form on the very top of the chat. It's a pinned comment on the top of a chat. Go ahead and fill in the form, all right? Just a name and email to be added to the wheel of names, and you will be added to the wheel of names. Yeah, amp limit is a brilliant idea. Yeah, exactly. You can access it from the app, right? The app is free, and it's pretty user-friendly, I would bet. Yep, A300, and bigger, you can set the charge limit so you can run it with any size generator or inverter to recharge without overloading it. Right. So it's all available in the app. If somebody's wondering how are we going to control this, you know, amperage and everything, do we have to disassemble the unit? Of course not. We don't encourage you to do any DIY work with our units because they are quite advanced. Let me just show you guys how it works. So I'm just opening the app right now, and let's see. So first of all, there are 2 connection modes: Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Right? So Bluetooth is great. Bluetooth is great because you can connect even when your Wi-Fi is down, but you will have more choices and just more cool things in the app when you connect via Wi-Fi. But even with Bluetooth, just let's take a look, guys. This is the app, right? It's called Bluetti. You can just go and download it right now in your App Store, Google Play, no matter what phone you use. All right, so this is the app, right? This is like the main page. We've got the battery percentage, 97%. We've got the output, right? So output is how many watts are being pulled out right now out of the unit. And if you're wondering why are we pulling 240 watts, let me show you why. Because we are running our studio lights, or maybe a light, yeah, singular, 1 light. So there it is. You can see what is the PV input, and PV stands for photovoltaic or solar panel, right? We've also got grid, right? And grid is basically just a wall outlet. All right, we've got DC or USB and AC output. We've got voltage and power or wattage, and we've even got frequency. All right, very good. So there we go, right? It's the frequency of 50 hertz. I saw it 50 hertz. Let me go to advanced settings. Should be 60 hertz. Advanced settings, yeah, should be 60 hertz. Probably I should turn the unit off first, right? Somebody will say. Maybe not. All right, so we've got many more cool things. Number 1 is user manual. So you will always have a PDF user manual in the app. Number 2, we've got network settings, share device, default connection mode, right? So default connection mode basically means do you want to connect with Wi-Fi or with Bluetooth by default, right? Next, we've got carbon emission factor, homepage display, working mode. All right, so this is pretty interesting. So we've got a working mode. What is that? All right, so we've got standard UPS, PV priority UPS, time control UPS, and customized UPS, right? So UPS, first of all, it's on the delivery service, Universal Postal Service, right? It's uninterrupted power supply, all right? So again, standard is just standard. PV priority means that the power station will prioritize charging from PV. So in other words, it will just take as much power as possible from your solar panel, and it will take the rest it needs from other sources, usually a wall outlet. Next, we have time control UPS. So many of us live in a place where electric rates are different depending on time of the day. So usually more expensive in the morning, in the evening when everybody comes home and turns air conditioners on, right? So usually the more people are using the electricity at the moment, the more expensive it is. So you can actually save some money if you just charge your unit from a wall outlet when the electricity price is the lowest. And this is like usually, early morning, like, 4 a.m. And of course, you don't have to wake up at 4 a.m. You don't have to do it manually. You could, but it's not recommended, because why? It's not worth it. You can do it automatically. So go to time control UPS, okay, and you can set the time settings here. So we've got a time settings. It might take you a while to figure out how it works. Right, click this plus symbol, set the time, start and end, right? So yeah, you can set the charging time automatically. And guys, remember one thing, and I learned the hard way. When you don't use it, let's say you just don't use time control, switch it back to standard, because you could have set some time here and you could have forgotten about it, but then your power station wouldn't charge and you'd be panicking like, what is going on? My power station wouldn't charge. And then you realize, oh, that's because I set it to time control UPS, and then now it's not the time where I set it to charge. So Sebastian, my man, watching us from Europe, 3:15 a.m. I don't need to wake up at 4 a.m., but just another 45 minutes. Wait another 45 minutes. That's crazy. What is going on there? All right, let's see. One guy was told that AC180 supports the max charging off grid setting. Another was told that that setting does not something quite different. Does not. All right, I think I have the folks set straight. All right, your products are great, just not exactly in my budget. Would totally do an honest review. All right, yeah. Let's switch the cameras. All right, so we often have promotions. First of all, guys, we often have promotions, right? Storms radios. We understand that people who need our products the most, usually people who not necessarily can afford them in the moment. So yeah, just like Clifford Science said, look, the ACJ is like $150. Plus, if you collect Bluetti bucks, you can get some real discounts, right? So you can win Bluetti bucks. You can also win them if you do some activities. We also have giveaways going on. Honestly, we've got too many fun things going on, trying to make our power stations as affordable as possible. Why are some names repeat in the wheel? All right, so yeah, it's a good question. Basically, some names repeat because those people, they share the stream, and if you share the stream, we will add you one more time. Yeah, so it also answers the second part of the question. How do we get multiple entries? Just share the stream. Okay, so guys, we've got 7 minutes and 6 seconds before the first giveaway, which is going to be the Bluetti canvas bag and fridge magnets. All right, so let's take a look at the AC300L. Let's see what it's got, what it hasn't, what it doesn't have. Let's take a look. Let's zoom in on the AC300L right now. Okay, give us a second, guys. We need to switch the cameras and everything. We've got some expensive gear here, multiple cameras, multiple studio lights, big TV. All right, because we are professional. All right, so there we go. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 wall outlets. So those are just the same ones that you have at home on your walls. Now the only difference is that they're probably not as powerful, so it can handle only 2,400 watts. But that's like quite a lot, actually. 2,400 watts maximum. All right. We've also got a 30 amp NEMA TT30 outlet here for your RVs and also for for other big appliances. So this is, as long as we're talking about the AC part, right? Alternating current. We've got a 30 amp NEMA TD30 RV port. Who's got an RV? Raise your hand. I mean, feel free not to tell me if you want to, you know, keep your personal information to yourself. I'm just telling you that we've got a 30 amp NEMA TD30 port here. All right. So we also got 4 wall outlets. I actually using 2 of them. Second one is for this famous water boiler, also known as a kettle. All right, so we are trying to boil some water right now. Now we've got 2 USB-A ports, right? One of them we're using for this light. One of them we're using for this USB fan. All right, let this USB fan blow at the kettle. I'm not sure if we can still boil water if we do it this way, right? Because it's cooling it. Kind of defeats the purpose. Okay, we've got a USB-C port, now 1 by 2. And of course, last but not least, we've got a 12-volt and 10 amp cars power socket here, and our own super cool, super mysterious port here that you have to have like another kind of add-on accessory for, but this is too advanced. I don't think you're ready for that, guys. All right, John Tay says AC200 is small, light, and has a nice variety of inputs and outputs, plus very affordable, very, very accurate description. You did it better than ChatGPT. I hope Bluetti will approve their products on my YouTube channel. Yeah, for sure. If you're talking to somebody from Bluetti right now, just keep talking to them because they're probably responsible for that YouTube project they're doing with you. RV here, using AC300 on board. Love it and recommend it to all my RV friends. Well, we are very glad to hear that. We ourselves have 1 RV. And we run everything from 1 AC300 and 2 B300 batteries. Okay, I have the AC180 and the AC50B. There you go. Boil some water, then put it in the fridge. All right. Okay, try not to laugh challenge failed. All right, let me try again. Boil some water, then put it in the fridge on the right to keep it fresh, because you can always use hot water from time to time. I didn't get it. Anyways, so this is the AC300L. We've got our state of charge battery here, 92%, right? 1526. It's not the year. It's the output. Okay. This is the output from the USB or DC port in general, right? Pretty straightforward. Okay, guys. Final reminder to jump on the wheel of names. The wheel of names does not wait. It just turns and turns and turns. It does not wait for anybody, okay? So join the forum. Join the wheel of names. Fill in the forum there. Pin comment on the very top. Come on, let's open some Facebook community posts. Let's see what we got on Facebook. Can't discriminate. All right. So there you go. There you go. Hey everyone, hi Chris, how's it going? I shared again which Bluetti product could run my crock pot for 8 hours. Do you know the output of that appliance? Do you know the output, like how many watts? All right, sure. So let's scroll down. I'm looking at the comments, by the way, guys. I know it might look bizarre, but we have a big TV here in front of me. I'm looking at your comments, showing you the backstage. This is okay to leave, an AC300L plugged into wall and used as a, yeah, for sure. No, you can do it. Yeah, this is kind of what it's for, right? So people use it as a UPS. So look, it's really hard to tell if it will harm the battery. I wouldn't go as far as to say it will harm the battery. Will it take a couple of cycles off? Maybe not. I wouldn't worry about this anyway, because as long as the power station is not like excessively hot, right? If it's hot, something's wrong. If it's like too hot, right? Something's wrong. And how hot is too hot? Well, let's just use some common sense here, right? Yeah, if it's hot, you're putting extra stress on it, but I wouldn't worry about just leaving it plugged in. Yeah. I use my AC300MAX B230 combo to run my RV. Yeah, that's a great choice. Nice size for how much power it has. Absolutely. Hi from New York. Okay. What appliances do you want to run? Yeah, sharing is caring. You know that. Share 2 times. That's right. Just don't like 2 times, okay? Because you'll cancel your like. All right. All right, guys. Good to catch up with you. Add them to the wheel. All right, cool. Let's go back to YouTube. All right. The year. 1526. Gotta keep up with the Spanish Inquisition. Yeah. Tough times. Yeah, it was my favorite part of history too. Tough times. But we did it. Okay, I bought a DC cable adapter for my CPAP machine, and now I can power my machine from the AC300MAX 12-volt cigarette lighter port. Absolutely great. It does not warm up much, even if plugged in 24/7. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I feel like, all of those concerns, they come from the past. Luckily not from 1526, but from the past, like, 10 years ago, when electronics were not as advanced, so they would overheat. You would hear things like, once your phone is charged, unplug it. I still remember when my dad had this Nokia phone, right? And the moment it was charged, he would just sprint the wall outlet and he would just unplug it. Yeah. And he told me, you have to unplug your phone when it's charged. I mean, yeah, but now electronics are so advanced, you don't have to worry about it. One thing you do have to worry about it, though, is not joining that wheel of names, okay? So if you haven't yet, please do right now, okay? And on our end here, we'll just make the wheel bigger and to show you guys how many people we have there. And here we've got the names in alphabetic order, so you can just scan them with your super advanced vision and identify maybe if you're not there. So, but if you fill the form, you probably will be there, most likely. Okay, I'll use it as a coffee cover to drink coffee. Is it possible to tie the all right, try not to laugh, challenge failed. Is it possible to tie the phone app, the phone app, I thought you were saying the phone, okay, the phone app, the website app, to show the same what, same, I use the same login info on both, the same info, I use the same info on both. Fun fact, website, we have a website app? I know we have a website app. We have a website, bluettipower.com. We don't have a website app. Or do you mean like you can download, like, what is it? Who should we tell if we shared it? Us! Just tell us. Yeah, sure. You shared, right? So let us add you one more time. You could use the same username and password on both, but the two backends are not linked. They won't show the same orders at this time, nor does the website have a list of your devices. Right, as always, waveform size. Okay, good luck, everyone. Yeah, good luck. Let's check Facebook. Let's make sure people there joined our wheel of names. All right, we've got a comment at the very end. How do I get at it? Yeah, Kim, just fill in the form. If you did already, we're just gonna add you one more time because you shared. Right. Okay, thank you for telling us. All right, guys, give us some time. Still adding some folks to the wheel of names. And yeah, the first giveaway is the canvas bag and the fridge magnets. Let's add, yeah, all right. So let's add Kim and let's go back to the wheel of names. All right. I should say website login, right? Time for magnets for my igloo. Come on, Perry, you don't live in an igloo. I don't believe you. All right, so how many entries? Oh, I can see that 50, right? Okay, cool. 50 entries. All right. All right, cool. So let's close that list of names. All right, let's just leave wheel of names here because we are pursuing beauty. So yeah, all right. Now it's the essence of beauty. Not seeing me. All right, so let's click to spin or press Control Enter if you're super into keyboard shortcuts, like some people, my friends, some of my friends, not me. Definitely not me. All right, so let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Enjoy the sound effects. Right. Okay, and the winner is... No. Okay. Sheila, congratulations. Sorry for Sebastian. Sheila really edged you out there. Okay. Well, Sheila, congratulations. You just won the canvas bag and the fridge magnets. How cool is that? Pretty cool. All right, all right, all right. So we've got one more giveaway because we are also on Facebook. All right. So are you ready? Okay, let's go ahead and spin the wheel one more time. All right. And the winner is... All right, the winner is Hector Ramos. Congratulations, Hector Ramos. You just won the Bluetti bag and the Bluetti fridge magnets. Congratulations. Oh, let's check on Facebook stream. Thanks. All right. No. On the live stream itself. No, it says it's ongoing. People are reporting that the Facebook live stream stopped. Did it stop? Did the Facebook live stream stop? Not necessarily. No. It's still ongoing. Yeah, we've got 15 people there. Awesome. Okay. All right, guys. Awesome. So let's take a look at the price for the AC200L. Of course, as always, the price is a very important part of the equation. We want to make it as affordable as possible so that more people know about Bluetti, more people get those great power stations. All right, so the price for AC200L is originally $1,999, right? This is the original price, $1,999. However, I mean, it's pretty hard to get the Bluetti at the original price because we always run some kind of promotion, some kind of super discounts. You know, it's our problem, not yours. So all you see is you come here, oh my God, the price is just $1,199. People say, selling $1,199. I know, it's pretty expensive. Well, is it or is it not? Because do you know how long you can use your power station? 10 years, right? 1,199 divided by 10. All right, let me bring a calculator. Somebody bring me a big calculator so I can count 1,199 divided by 10. All right, so something tells me, maybe simple math skills, is that it's just $119.9. You're thinking a month. A year. $119.9 a year over the course of 10 years. That's what you've got. Now, you might ask, Tim, come on, why 10 years? I mean, really? All right. So guys, 10 years. Look, we've got batteries inside. All right. What kind of batteries are those? These are called lithium iron phosphate batteries, LiFePO4. Now, lithium iron phosphate batteries are known for one thing: longevity. They don't want to go. They're not leaving. They're not leaving, right? They're not leaving you. They want to stay. So they are extremely long lasting. 3,000 to 3,500 cycles before the battery drops to 80% of its original capacity. Might sound kind of bizarre, but you all know what I'm talking about. So your phone, when you buy it first, oh, I like it, it's so good. Oh, and it holds the battery so well. Well, 3 years later, oh my God, I just charged my phone in the morning, and now I have to charge it again. Same thing will happen with your power station, make no mistake. However, it will not happen in 3 years or 5 years, it will happen in 10 years, right? So guys, one thing I'm trying to say is these power stations are extremely long lasting, okay? No question about it. And we also have long warranty. So what is the warranty for the AC300L? Let's scroll down, let me look it up. Is it the warranty period? Is it 6 years? Just trying to double check. Yeah, somewhere. Yeah, 5 year, right? So it's a 5-year warranty, guys. It's a 5-year warranty, right? I mean, I don't like, you know, those 1-year warranties, 2-year warranties. I don't like those. 5-year warranty sounds better. What do you think? All right, so let's get back to the comments. All right, might be, all right. So, yeah, a 5-year warranty, exactly. So, all right, guys, what if you need something bigger? Something as big as AC500. Now, AC500 is absolutely amazing. The reason why it's amazing is because, look, it can back up your entire house, especially like, you know, the most essential loads, of course. I mean, I don't know how many things you have in your house. If you want to run everything at once, you probably will be able to deplete the battery pretty fast. But, you know, before, if you want to, you know, if you want to power essential loads in your house, even during a power outage, you would need to invite an installer. You would need to mount that energy storage system to the wall. Well, we still sell those. Those are absolutely great, by the way. They are not an alternative to this. I'm just saying that if you're looking for something portable and something plug and play, no installation needed, yeah, then you should be looking into AC300. Let's see, Jem says, Bluetti batteries are also known for longevity, but also for safety. They won't blow up. Yeah, exactly. We're trying to promote our brand, but our batteries won't blow up. So, AC300 is running the internet and lights. I'm using it to watch this right now. Wow, that's awesome. How many batteries do you have for that AC300? So the maximum amount of batteries you can connect is 6 batteries for one AC500, okay? Now one battery is 3072 watt hours. Now for that, I will need a calculator. 3072 by 6, we've got 18,432 watt hours. 18,432 hours. I've seen a total of 2 Bluetti devices and battery rupture fires. Really? One was in a YouTube extreme video where they dropped it off a side of a 100-foot building onto a parking lot. It burned a little. Yeah, exactly. It didn't explode. Our AC300, 3 B300S and 1 B300 run our off-grid cabin with no problem. Oh, officially I have 2 batteries. The AC300, right? The other one was that they took a non-waterproof unit and threw it into a swimming pool. Who did that? Mr. Beast? Okay, and left it there overnight. It did not work anymore when they put it out of the pool. It did not explode. Yeah. I mean, yeah, people do many things for the views, ourselves included. Yeah, guys, obviously don't use your power stations in the ways they're not supposed to be utilized in, right? We've got a water-resistant power station, actually, a couple of them, AC60, AC240, you know that, right? Those are more expensive because this technology is quite pricey, to be honest. So if you don't need like a portable, a waterproof station, maybe don't get water resistant station, right? Maybe you don't need to get it then because it's more expensive. But if you just get a normal power station which is not water resistant and you expect it to be water resistant, I mean, you'll have some crushed dreams then. Okay, throwing batteries to the side of buildings is not recommended. Yeah, one more lesson learned, of course. All right, guys. So let's keep going now. AC500. Let me show you guys what it is not. It's got some outputs here, some big ones. What are these? All right, so let's start from here unexpectedly. So number one, we have a 50 amp output for big RVs. All right, it's a 50 amp port. Pretty cool. 30 amp, the same one, NEMA TD30, okay? And one more 30 amp, and these are just normal wall outlets. We already used 3 of them. 2 of them are running the lights, and of course, don't just take my word for it. All right, let me prove it to you. Okay, and one of them is running this ice maker. Let me turn this ice maker on. There you go. Okay, so we've also got this 24 volt and 10 amp car's power socket, but remember it's 24 volts. So if you have devices that are 12 volts only, you can still use this unit, but use this port here because this one is 12 volts, right? This one here is 12 volts. This one here is 24 volts, so be careful. Now, many devices, they support both 24 and 12, but if you just happen to have a device that is like 12 volt only, then don't plug it here. Okay, USB-C port. We've got one more, 2 of them. Yeah, we got a USB-A port. These are quick charge USB-A ports, 18 watts, and these are standard 15 watts. Unexpectedly, because we never want to let anybody know our next move, we've got 2 wireless charging ports here on the top. Ta-da! Yep, 15-watt wireless charging ports. So basically how it works is you just put your phone here on the top, all right? And watch the magic after you turn DC on. Gotta turn DC on. And my phone started charging! 85% de carga. I switched my phone to Spanish. Okay, so this is AC500. Obviously, AC500 has to have a battery, right? One more thing, I will tell you a huge corporate secret from Bluetti. Okay, don't tell my boss I found this. This doesn't have battery inside. I'm kidding, this is open information. It doesn't have a battery, so it has to have a battery. And B300 is its battery. So one battery, right, a perfect camera work. 3,072 watt hours, one battery. Now, I've already said it, I'll say it again. You can connect up to 6 batteries, right? So 6 batteries, 18,432 watt hours. No, I didn't just do math in my head. I literally just memorized that number. Okay, so, and each battery, it actually has a 12 volt amp car's power socket, a USB-C port, and a USB-A port. So pretty cool. Now, the only thing that you might not like about it is this cable. So I'm just telling you that there is this cable here. And realistically, if you want to like place it like next to the wall, this is how much space it occupies, right? So you guys use those imperial metric systems, imperial system to measure it. I don't know. I can tell you it's around 30 centimeters. Okay. Yeah, this is it. I know we have a lot of feedback about those cables, like, oh, can you make like a 90-degree cable? So our official line is, many people actually, even though you might not use it this way, I know, I understand, but many people actually place them like differently. So they put one unit next to each other, right next to the other. in the ways where this cable is much more useful rather than 90-degree cable. But I would like to have a 90-degree cable as well. Put an AA battery in the 24-volt port of it, then it has the battery inside. Yeah. Okay. All right, there was no actor for the last giveaway. I don't see on Facebook. So you want to do a wrist spin for that giveaway because actor was not there? We can try. I don't know. What do you think? Okay. Now, I just want longer cables. Yeah, like ideally it would be nice to have multiple choices, right? Like you can choose this cable, this cable, this cable, right? Is that what you would like to see, guys? To have multiple choices when it comes to cables? All right. I'll tell you guys about multiple choices. You can control your AC500 from the screen. You can also control it from the app, right? If not, agree, which way? Up, down, front, rear? Yeah, I think up and down, just like this, right? That's what people are talking about. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So the app. Now, the app supports a lot of features. We also have, app upgrades all the time, updates. So yeah, everything is there. And again, AC400, you can connect from 1 to 6 batteries. Now, as James said, you have one B300. So if you mix B300S and B300, then the limit is 4. So you can connect up to 4 batteries in any. I mean, it can be anything. It can be 2 B300s, 2 B300S, etc. 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 2 to 2, 3 to 1. Okay. Yeah, but if you go for only B300S, it is 6 batteries you can connect maximum. And B300S is the only battery that can be charged under like very cold temperatures, down to -4 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, or -20 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's the same. So normally, lithium iron phosphate batteries can be recharged when the temperature is down to 32 Fahrenheit or 0 Celsius. But now it can, because it has this heating mode. So pretty cool. Make the cable ends adjustable. Rotate. Okay. Cable ends adjustable. All right. So, do the new AC devices support Wi-Fi now? Absolutely, Kevin. You got it. Yep, they support Wi-Fi. Okay, or does Bluetti plan on making a Wi-Fi device? What do you mean by a Wi-Fi device? They support connection via Wi-Fi. Like you can connect them. They have Wi-Fi, right? So like you can connect them through the app, to the Bluetti app via Wi-Fi. And you can control them from anywhere in the world. How cool is that? Not sure that slip joint connectors exist, and the amperage would be cool if they could do it, right? I wouldn't mind the cable so much if I could use the existing cable to connect the AC100 battery beside each other without having to have either the AC100 or the battery face opposite direction. Makes sense, right? Okay, so yeah, I mean the cool thing about it is that it's plug and play, no installation required. If you want to move houses, like forget about it. I'm just gonna go on a trip across America. Yeah, I'm gonna take it with me as well. And by the way, I'm biking there. Yeah, I'm cycling. I'm kidding, of course, but yeah, you can take it with you if you're moving houses. One more selling point nobody talks about. What happens if I plug a Wi-Fi stick in my EB70S USB port? Sebastian, you have some crazy ideas there going on, but it's a good question. I do think you can power your Wi-Fi router, but I don't think you can plug a Wi-Fi stick in your EB70S port and USB port. All right. Just use Home Assistant like the rest of us. Right. Alexa. Right? Saw that video from Jeff. Amazing hook in the video where Jeff says, hey, Alexa, turn the alternating current on. Do you still have to say like the whole name, alternating current? You can just say AC or maybe you can't. Yeah, pretty cool. Those power stations are getting more and more advanced, okay? A little bit worried about that. Okay, so I'm just kidding. I'm worried that like, they get too advanced and run out of our houses. Okay, so 6 minutes and 12 seconds before the last giveaway. And somebody said the last winner was not present, so we can just spin one more time. Okay, so okay, I know. So Hector was not present, right? So we'll just spin one more. We'll just have one more spin before this giveaway. Or was he here? Maybe he was here. I didn't see him. Okay, he was. Sorry, Hector. Hector, you here? Okay, yeah. I saw you send them emoji. Sure. Sorry about that. You're here. Okay, cool. It's hard to multitask. We've got Facebook. We've got YouTube. It's hard to multitask. The ice is almost ready. All right. Let me see. So, okay, it's oh, I see how it works. Oh, cool. Look how it works. It just like pushes ice here. We've got some ice. Let's party. Let's party. Invite your friends over. All right. We better find a big house for that party because we've got too much ice. All right. So, yeah, exactly. So, guys, let's keep going now. Let's take a look at the price for the AC500. Let's see if it's reasonable, if it's affordable for us. So, Bluetti AC500 and B300S. All right. Home battery backup, right? So the original price is $4,799. Now the price is $2,000. Hold on. From $4,799 to $2,000? Well, yeah, $2,499. What's more, you may be eligible for a 30% federal tax credit. You may qualify to claim the credit and get up to $749.70 in rebates. Learn more on our official website, bluetti-power.com/products/bluetti-B300S-home-battery-backup $POS =2 and _SID. Okay, so just go on our website and search AC500. That'd be a better move. So not only are you saving a lot, but you also may be eligible for the 30% federal tax credit refund. Okay, and we've got different bundles there. So we got AC500 and B300 itself. All right, just like this. Now we've got AC500, B300S, and 2 PV200D portable solar panels. We've got AC500 and 2 B300S batteries. We've got AC500 and, all right, a lot of different bundles. Just choose the one you like. And by the way, guys, if you already have B300 batteries, just get AC500 and you don't even have to buy batteries. All right, you can connect your AC500 to your B300 batteries. And I would actually do that because B300 batteries, they're compatible with like so many power stations. So AC300L, AC300MAX, AC300P, AC300, AC500. So yeah, the federal credit is no joke. It saved us $11,000. Oh my God. All right. Okay. 11,000, really? Okay. Let's see. Tim, I'm on my way to enjoy your ice from Las Vegas right now. Yeah, I'm not in Las Vegas, by the way. You probably think I am. I know you are, but I'm not. Where is it at? Right. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So, 1 minute and 30 seconds before the giveaway, please join the giveaway. Fill in the form. It's pinned on the top of the chat. Any questions, let us know, by the way, guys. We're here to answer questions. We're here to read every single comment. All right, so AC300. We also have AC300, right? So AC300 is a very similar unit. Also very good. And the price is right there, $3,899. It's just not as advanced as AC300. AC300 has some cool features that AC300 does not have, but it might just so happen to be that AC300 is enough for you. So, yeah. All right, good luck all for the giveaway. I know you aren't. Here just keeps the ice frozen for 20 hours. Okay. I'll keep the ice frozen. Protect the ice at all costs. Yeah. Okay, we'll protect the ice. We'll put it in the freezer. Okay, so 30 seconds before the giveaway, guys, get ready. All right, so, and before we spin for the t-shirt and a coffee cup, let's do, oh no, Hector is here. Okay, so somebody said that the winner was not here, but he actually is here. Everybody, calm down. We are not respinning the wheel, okay? The winners are here. They're here to claim your prize. It didn't work. All right, so don't worry. So this is the list of names. We've got 84 entries. Okay, that's quite a lot of entries. 84 entries we've got. And yeah, so join the giveaway. If you're ready, let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Bluetti coffee cup and a t-shirt. All right. So get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, and the winner is James Morrow. Congratulations, James. You just won a coffee cup and a t-shirt. All right, Evan's asking, am I on 2 times? All right, let's please double check for Evans. Is he there? Yeah, he is. Yes, Evans, you are. You are there twice. Don't worry. All the Amazon are here looking for freebies. All right, so James, congratulations. You just won the coffee cup and the t-shirt. One more spin, please. Rahman, congratulations. Oh my God, Rahman, you just won the Bluetti t-shirt and the Bluetti coffee cup. Oh my God. No. All right, so you just won, right? Dear winners, remember to email us to livestream@bluetti.com, livestream@bluetti.com, or email us at this email address, send us your shipping information, and I'll see you guys next time. Next live stream is going to be this Sunday at 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time on our official website, bluettipower.com. Guys, take care out there. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your life. And just take care, guys. Great to be here. Great to be with you, as always. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.